In this tutorial, we will guide you through the process of creating a website using Next.js and Shadcn-ui. This video is tailored for beginners learning Next.js and a foundational understanding of HTML, CSS, VS Code, Tailwind CSS, and Next.js will enhance your learning experience. Step 1. Create project folder. Begin by creating a folder named blog site and open it in VS Code. Step 2. Initialize Next.js project. Open a new terminal and execute the following command. npx create next app at latest. During installation, respond with yes to include various options such as TypeScript, Tailwind, and others. Step 3. Install Shadcn-ui. In a new terminal, input the following command. npx Shadcn-ui at latest init. Select yes for all options and adjust the path of globals.css to src app globals.css. This completes the successful installation of Shadcn-ui, a package designed to provide pre-made components like buttons, navbars, and avatars, saving valuable time during the design phase. Step 4. Start the development server. Launch your project with the command. Type npm run dev command and enter. And see your project in browser. http://localhost 3000. Step 5. Configure project assets. Create a new assets folder in the src directory to store private images. For publicly accessible images, you can use the public folder. Secure copyright-free images from Unsplash or Pexels and save them as bgimg.jpg for the background and logo.jpg for the logo. Step 6. Components. Create a folder in Components folder with the name Custom. Step 7. Layout. Open layout.tsx file and change code in body as below. Body class name equals $inter.classname minute h screen bg #b0aaa children. In this way, we will set minimum height of web and background color. Step 8. Installation of component avatar. Go to website https://ui.shadcn.com. Click on Components and select Avatar and copy following code for installation and place it in new terminal of VS Code and enter. npx Shadcn-ui at latest add avatar. In this way, avatar will be installed. You can see avatar.tsx file in UI folder in Components folder. Step 9. Installation of component button. Following the procedure for installation of avatar, you may further install button with following code in your terminal. npx Shadcn-ui at latest add button. Button.tsx file will become available in UI folder in Components. Step 10. Installation of component navigation menu. Following the procedure for installation of avatar and button, you may further install navigation menu by writing following code in terminal and enter. npx Shadcn-ui at latest add navigation menu. Step 11. Creation of navbar. Create a navbar.tsx file in customs and write following code. Import logo from @assets logo.jpg. Import image from next image. Import menu from .menu. Import avatar fallback, avatar image from @components UI avatar. Import menu from .menu. Function navbar. Return. Div class name equals flex item center justify center bg white minute h 64px. Div class name equals grid calls 10%, 80%, 10%, item center w45h full. Asterisk logo asterisk. Div. Image src equals logo, class name equals h20w20 rounded full alt equals logo /. Div. Asterisk menu asterisk. Div class name equals hidden sm flex. Menu. Div. Asterisk avatar asterisk. Div. Avatar. Avatar image src equals https://github.com shadcn.png alt equals @shadcn/. Avatar fallback cn avatar fallback. Avatar. Div. Export default navbar. Step 12. Updating page.tsx file. In src app, open page.tsx file and delete code from main to main and write following code. Main class name equals flex item center justify center minute h screen. Div class name equals flex call gap 7 item center justify center. h1 class name equals text dash 40px text white font bold welcome to my blog site h1. Button. Mail class name equals Mr. 2h4w4 / login with email. Button. Div. Image class name equals opacity 60 absolute w full z dash 1. src equals bgimg alt equals bg4 / main. Open new terminal and write npm run dev and see your website in the browser. Congratulations, your website is ready. Open your browser and see your website. This is responsive website. Further improvement and linking different pages will be made in next video. Please like, share and subscribe to see more such videos.